I know you wanted to play a song for Christmas this year and haven't gotten around to it. It's probably too late. Or is it? I could show you how to play a little piece of something. How about this? It's very, very easy, and your family will be impressed if you could play that. All right? You'll be able to do it in time for Christmas. Let's start right now. All right, and let me break this down. We could use any one of these two fingers. Don't play this melody with the thumb because we're going to need that for the bass note in this song. All right? We're going to add that later. So we're starting off 3 frets up on the first string. This is string 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. On string 1, we're going with our ring finger on string 1 and hitting this with, it doesn't matter whether you hit it with your index or your middle finger. I'm doing it with my middle finger. So I'm just going, okay, and then what I'm doing is I'm walking it down to the next fret, fret 2, with my middle finger and plucking that, and then I'm going open. And then I'm going to the second string 3 frets up with my index finger and plucking that. So that sounds like this. Now imagine that we're singing the song, and what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to emulate the vocal. So I'm going, joy to the world. Then it continues. I'm hitting a note, a C note it's called here, 1 fret up on the second string. Then open. All right, this is all with my index finger on the right hand. And then 2 frets up on the third string with my middle finger, and then open, plucking it with my index again. All right, so that whole section sounds like this. All right, are you able to play that melody? Can you leave me a comment in the comments area below? Just let me know yes or no that you could play the melody. All the bass notes are happening with my thumb, all right? So I'm playing that same exact melody that we just learned, and I'm just adding 3 notes on the third string, 2 notes on the 4th string, and this is all with the thumb. When we did this note to start out with, I'm just pinching. It's called a pinch. I'm playing 2 strings at once. All right, I'm playing strings 1 and 3, plucking 1 and 3 and holding down my finger right here. Okay, and then I'm continuing with that melody. Hopefully you've learned that already. And then I'm pinching again on strings 2 and 3. We were already doing this by itself, and now all we're doing is we're adding that 3rd string bass note. And then I'm walking that melody down to that C note, and then I'm plucking open strings 3 and 2. Open, completely open together, the pinch again. Then I'm putting 2 frets up with my middle finger on string 3, like we did in the melody. then what I'm doing is I'm pinching strings 3 and 4. 3 with my index and 4 with my thumb. And then for the last note, I'm adding another bass note on the very last note that we have to play. And that's just open strings 4 and 3. 4 with my thumb and 3 with my index finger. Alright, most of you are going to want the sheet music and the Tux guitar files. They're free. No reason not to get it. Fingerpickingwithbob.com, that's my new website. Just go over there, sign in. And once you're in, you'll see on the left sidebar, Joy to the World. Alright, just click on that, and then that'll take you to download the sheet music and the Tux guitar files. And if you're feeling up to it, the whole song is up there on the website as well, the full version. I'm wishing you and your family a very blessed and Merry Christmas.